Hi Kickstarters, it's David and Paul, and we're back at it with another project to keep you charging.
Did you know that many computers can take over 4 hours to fully charge a smartphone? That's why we're introducing the Practical Meter to help millions of people solve slow charge times. Enjoy our video.
While we worked on fulfilling our last Kickstarter campaign, the PowerPot, we started to notice inconsistencies while charging smartphones from different USB ports. As we investigated the issues, we discovered that the problem was inherent to USB itself. Although USB stands for Universal Serial Bus, it turns out that not all USB chargers are created equal. Here's an example. If you charge an iPhone on a PC or a Droid on a Mac, both smartphones will only accept 2.5 watts of power despite the fact that both the USB ports and the phones are capable of using 5 watts or 1 amp of power. At this rate, it will take up to 6 hours to fully charge these phones. Switch them around, and now the Practical Meter shows us the iPhone is fast charging on the Mac, but the Android is still charging at only half speed on the PC. Before inventing the Practical Meter, diagnosing the problem looks something more like this. Cumbersome multimeters and cables are just not practical. Developments led to our first prototypes. We added a USB connection, making it easy to use, and since most devices only accept up to 5 watts, we added 5 LED lights, each representing 1 watt of power. The current design is even smaller and more intuitive. When you plug it in, a red light turns on, indicating power is available. When you plug in a device, the power level is displayed via bars, much like the signal strength on your cell phone. The more lit bars, the better. As part of solving the inconsistent USB charging rates, we have also come up with charging cables that have circuits built into the tips which allow your devices to always accept max power. Even if you're charging your iPhone on a PC, with these cables, you'll always be getting the best charging speeds. The Practical Meter is also really handy when you're using a portable solar panel. Use it to find the sweet spot where solar panels are outputting the most power, and use it to troubleshoot some common user problems. For instance, sometimes in poor conditions, your cell phone will say it's charging when in fact it's not. This means your phone is actually losing power, even though it indicates charging. For the do-it-yourselfers out there, the Practical Meter is a valuable tool for any tinkerer's toolbox. Now you can easily measure the power output or consumption of your USB projects. Our current prototypes are being produced at a snail's pace on our in-house 3D printer. In order to make these available to you, we need your help. By pre-ordering a Practical Meter, it allows us to get them to you in a high-quality injection-molded case. Using the experience we gained from our last Kickstarter project, we already have production lined up and are confident that we will get you a high-quality Practical Meter in just a couple months.
So whether you experience slow charge times, own a portable solar panel, PowerPot, or just curious about how much power your devices use or need, you can get a troubleshooting kit with a Practical Meter and cables for $19, or just the charging cables alone for only $7.
Thanks for watching our video and keep charging.